Hey friends, John here. Welcome back to the podcast, Voices of English. In today's episode, we're going to focus on something very important, pronunciation. We'll talk about why it matters, the most common mistakes learners make, and then we'll do a step-by-step 10-minute practice session together. So get ready to speak, repeat, and train your mouth to sound more natural in English. Let's begin. Pronunciation is more than just sounding good. It's about being understood clearly. You can have great grammar and vocabulary, but if people can't understand your words, your message gets lost. Good pronunciation helps you communicate confidently, make a strong first impression, connect naturally with native speakers. Think about it. If someone says lice instead of rice, or sheet instead of seat, it can cause confusion and maybe some laughs. So, pronunciation is not about having a perfect accent. It's about clarity, rhythm, and confidence.
Let's go over some of the most common pronunciation mistakes English learners make. Confusing R and L. Example: rice, lice, light, right. Tip: for R, round your lips slightly and pull your tongue back. For L, touch the tip of your tongue behind your upper teeth. Dropping ending sounds. Example: saying I won instead of I want. Remember, final consonants matter. Misplacing word stress. Example: desert, place, versus dessert, to abandon. The stress changes the meaning completely. Flat intonation. English has a musical rhythm. Practice rising and falling tones naturally. We'll fix these step by step in our exercises. All right, now it's time for practice. We'll train your mouth, tongue, and ears together. Repeat after me slowly. Let's start.
Step 1. Warm up. 1 minute. Relax your jaw. Move it side to side. Loosen your lips. Breathe in deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Now make these sounds slowly. La, Repeat. La, Great job! You're warming up the muscles you use for speech. Tongue control. 1 minute. Now we'll train the tongue. Say slowly, la, 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 ra, 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 la, ra, la, ra. Feel how your tongue moves differently for L and R. Let's repeat. La, 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 ra, 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 la, ra, la, ra. Now try this sentence. Really long roads run right. Say it again slowly and clearly. Really long roads run right.
Step 3. Lip movement. 1 minute. English has many sounds made by the lips. Let's practice. Say pe, pee, pa, po, poo. Good. Now say be, bee, ba, bo, boo. Next, alternate. Pe, be, pe, be, pe, be. Now try this tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Repeat twice, slowly first, then faster. Step 4. Mouth opening and vowel sounds. 1 minute. Vowels shape your accent. Let's practice 5 basic English vowels. A, E, I, O, U. As in cat, bed, sit, not, cup. Now say cat, bed, sit, not, cup. Cat, bed, sit, not, cup. Good. Let's stretch them slightly. Cat, bead, sit, not, cup. Feel your mouth open more for A and O and less for I and U. Step 5. Word stress practice. 1 minute. In English, one syllable in a word is always stronger. Listen and repeat with stress. Table, computer, interesting, delicious. Now repeat the sentence. The computer is on the table. Good job. You can feel the rhythm, right? English moves like music. Strong, weak, strong, weak. Step 6. Sentence rhythm. 1 minute. Now let's connect words smoothly. Say slowly, what are you doing? In natural English, it sounds like, what are you doing? Let's try a few more. I am going to. I'm gonna. Do you want to? Do you wanna? Let me see it. Let me see it. Repeat after me naturally. Don't force it. Let it flow.
Step 7. Shadowing practice. 2 minutes. Now we'll do shadowing. That means listening and repeating at the same time. Listen, repeat, and match the rhythm and tone. Every day, I practice speaking English. I don't worry about mistakes. I just keep going little by little. My pronunciation gets better every day. Now again, faster this time. Every day, I practice speaking English. I don't worry about mistakes. I just keep going little by little. My pronunciation gets better every day. Awesome work. Step 8. Record yourself. 1 minute. Now, take your phone and record that same sentence in your own voice. Every day, I practice speaking English. I don't worry about mistakes. I just keep going little by little. My pronunciation gets better every day. Then, listen to it. Compare your rhythm and stress to mine. Notice the difference in sound and flow. This helps you hear your progress. Let's quickly review what we trained today. Tongue for L and R. Lips for P, B, F, V sounds. Mouth opening for vowel clarity. Breath control for smoother speech. These are your muscles of pronunciation. Train them just like an athlete trains their body. Do it daily and you'll see big improvement. Here's your daily challenge. Pick one paragraph in English, listen to a native speaker reading it, and shadow it 3 times. Then, record yourself and compare. Do this for 7 days, and your pronunciation will sound more natural, confident, and fluent. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about progress and practice.
Thanks for listening to the podcast Voices of English. If you enjoyed this pronunciation practice, make sure to follow for more slow English listening and speaking episodes. Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning English naturally.